Sinong may birthday? Sinong may birthday? Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Ano, anong gagawin natin?
Drop her off.
Drop her off, tapos ikaw, anong gagawin mo
I'm
naman?
getting Starbucks.
Ay! Di ba lactose intolerance ka?
No, that
Pag
was
uminom ka
Dutch Bros.
ng
That was Dutch Bros.
something na may milk,
That was Dutch Bros.
alam mo na ang mangyayari.
No, that was Dutch
Pupunta ka
Bros.
sa, tatakbo ka sa restaurant.
The nurse's bathroom.
Sa nurse. Doon ka pa nagpupunta sa nurse?
Yes.
Wow.
That's the method.
Oh, birthday ni Jana, yan si Jana. Oh, yan, oh, napila yan eh. Tingnan mo kami. Napila. Sabi ng lola baby mo, happy birthday daw.
Thank you.
Mamaya, tawagan natin para ma-greet ka mamaya. Okay? Pagka sinundo kita. Okay, hatid ka na sila sa school.